Welcome to the Marshall Islands, a sprawling archipelago in the vast Pacific Ocean. Scattered across this blue expanse are coral atolls and islands, each a testament to the resilience of life in the face of nature's power. Today, we embark on a journey to 10 of the most captivating cities within this island nation. From the bustling markets of Majuro to the tranquil lagoons of Arno, we'll delve into the unique character of each location. We'll uncover layers of history, from ancient traditions of navigation to the impacts of colonial powers and the echoes of global conflict. Join me as we meet the people who call these islands home, experience the vibrancy of their culture, and explore the natural wonders that make the Marshall Islands truly special. Our first stop brings us to Majuro, the beating heart of the Marshall Islands and its bustling capital. Here, modern buildings share the landscape with traditional thatched homes, a testament to the blending of the old and new. Explore the lively marketplace, a sensory feast of colors, scents, and sounds. Here, locals gather to trade fresh produce, seafood, and handicrafts, offering a glimpse into the daily rhythms of life in Majuro. Our journey takes us next to Ebeye, the second largest city in the Marshall Islands and a testament to the country's cultural diversity. Ebeye's streets are a vibrant mix of cultures and traditions, a melting pot reflecting the island nation's history. The island hums with a unique energy fueled by the warmth and resilience of its people. Witness the close-knit community spirit where neighbors gather for celebrations and offer support in times of need. We now travel to Arno Atoll, an island steeped in history. Once the administrative center under German and Japanese rule, Arno bears the marks of its colonial past. Explore remnants of this bygone era, from the faded grandeur of colonial buildings to the poignant reminders of World War II scattered across the landscape. Despite its tumultuous past, Arno remains a place of serene beauty, its tranquil lagoon a haven for marine life. Our journey continues to Ebeye Atoll, an island that played a significant role during World War II. Here, amidst the swaying palm trees and pristine beaches, the echoes of history are never far away. Discover the remnants of military fortifications, silent witnesses to the island's strategic importance during the war. Today, Ebeye stands as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, its people rebuilding their lives amidst the scars of the past. Prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking beauty of Arno Atoll, renowned for its stunning lagoons and vibrant coral reefs. Here, turquoise waters teem with marine life, offering a paradise for snorkelers and divers. Immerse yourself in the traditional culture of Arno, where ancient navigation techniques are passed down through generations, and the rhythm of life moves to the gentle sway of coconut palms. Step back in time on Atoll, an island dotted with well-preserved colonial buildings and remnants of a bygone era. Explore the historic German church, a testament to the island's complex past, and wander through the remnants of copra plantations, once the backbone of the local economy. Engage with the friendly locals, keepers of their island's stories and traditions, and gain a deeper understanding of Likiep's enduring spirit. Our voyage takes us to Ebeye Atoll, a place where the legacy of traditional Marshallese navigation lives on. For centuries, the people of Ebeye have navigated the vast Pacific, using only the stars, waves, and currents as their guides. Witness the craftsmanship of the local people, renowned for their skills in boat building and weaving, traditions passed down through generations. Our exploration brings us to Kwajalein Atoll, home to one of the largest coral atolls on Earth. This strategically important location houses a significant U.S. military base, a reminder of the island's role in global affairs. Despite its military presence, Kwajalein boasts pristine beaches and a rich underwater world, offering a haven for marine life and a testament to the atoll's ecological importance. Our journey takes us to Untouched Atoll, an island forever marked by its history as a nuclear testing site. Witness the ongoing efforts to remediate the environmental impact of these tests, a testament to the human determination to heal the scars of the past. Meet the resilient communities who have returned to Untouched, rebuilding their lives and working towards a sustainable future for their island home. Our final destination is Arno Atoll, an island that stands as a poignant reminder of the human cost of nuclear testing. Evacuated in the aftermath of the tests, Arno's people have shown remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. Witness the ongoing efforts to restore Arno to its former glory, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people and a symbol of hope for the future. As our journey through the Marshall Islands draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and respect for the resilience of this island nation. From the bustling capital of Majuro to the tranquil lagoons of Arno, we've witnessed the unique beauty, rich culture and enduring spirit of the Marshallese people. The Marshall Islands offer a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world. May their story inspire us all to be better stewards of our planet and to cherish the diversity of cultures that make our world so extraordinary. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable adventure to the Marshall Islands. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating travel stories from across the globe.